Welcome to Rustbusters Installation Guide for the vehicles listed below. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Lift up your vehicle. Remove any lines or power harnesses from the work area. Using a 17mm socket, remove the bolt holding the spare tire hoist in place. Step 3. Cut out the factory spare tire plate. You can cut the part in half to make it easier to remove. Grind the frame free of rust and debris, followed by painting the part with a weld-through primer to help prevent against rust development. Step 4. Hold the spare tire plate up to the frame, inserting the rear end first. Following proper welding procedures, tack weld the part into place before welding it on fully. Finally, using a 17mm socket, reinstall the spare tire hoist. Paint the part with a primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. Then you're done!